Well, this is quite a contentious issue. I mean, we've seen a judgment that has dragged on for about 12 hours non-stop. And I mean, there's a lot at stake, apparently. One of the key issues which Nigerians had looked forward to was claims that President Tinubu forfeited about $500,000 to a court in the US, and this was said to be proceeds from drugs. Nigerians were anxiously awaiting what the court will say on this, because if that were true, then he could be disqualified based on a criminal conviction. But significantly, the court here ruled that it was just a forfeiture, not that he was criminally convicted. So he was able to escape through that. That could have really damaged his image if he was said to have been convicted in the US. But there were other grounds by the three parties that went to court. They made allegations of widespread rigging. They said he was not even qualified to run for the election in the first place because the vice presidential candidate had double nomination, and to that extent, he stands. The vice presidential candidate stands disqualified, and the president, by extension, also stands disqualified. But the court ruled against this also, that the vice presidential candidate, even though he had double nomination, but he was able to drop one of the nomination to concentrate on just the presidential election. So virtually all the issues raised were dropped, and significantly, I think it will enable President Tinubu to be able to face what he's elected to do. It has been quite a distraction. Many people were boasting that there will be a re-election because he's likely to lose the case, but now we have seen him won the case. But then the case will go further to the Supreme Court, and we still don't know. So it's not yet full that he has won this, but at least he has won one round of it. But this has not ended the acrimony. I think it will rather widen the acrimony between the president on the one hand and those who have gone to court. We've not seen anything like this in the past. We just have maybe one candidate challenging the victory, but here we have three candidates claiming victory in addition to the president. Then we're talking of four people claiming victory. And for the opposition, the other three candidates, I mean, they are not in any way ready to concede defeat, even if at the Supreme Court level, the court also declares that President Tinubu was validly elected. I don't see this actually bringing everybody together.